Where do you want to be? Where do you see yourself? What story of yours is yet to be told? Stories play a big part here in a county just outside London, a place of wonder, magic, and beauty.
Lewis Carroll, the author of Alice in Wonderland, wrote his stories in Surrey, imagining the Queen of Hearts to live here at Guildford Castle.
Why don't you become king or queen of your own magical Surrey tale? You write the pages, we'll go put the kettle on. Full of Georgian architecture and sitting on a quintessential English river, Weybridge is the perfect place for your family. Move in and you might just hear pop star Cliff Richard practicing in his studio. Footballer Peter Crouch is also a resident, and at 6'6", he's hard to miss. Weybridge is less than 30 minutes from London and has amazing schools like this. Let's have a look around, shall we? Surrey has everything that your life story could want. If you want to be slightly closer to London, then we need to head north of Surrey, where we find Virginia Water. Just 25 miles from the city, it's home to the breathtaking Wentworth Estate. It's home to a few Formula One drivers, so you'll never see bad parking, and there's also one of the most elite level golf courses in the country, so may want to brush up on that swing. Is it sports stars you always hoped you might see walking around the grounds? Well, let's swing by the Crown Estate at Oxshott. Many of the top Chelsea players live here, and you might even see them while playing football in your own garden. If you kick the ball over your fence, it might just come back signed. The 440 houses on St George's Hill has some of that classic English heritage you can't recreate anywhere else. Built in the 1920s for wealthy high society, these fortresses will give your life that Downton Abbey prestige you see yourself in. You'll just have to buy the corsets and bonnets yourself. So, what do you think? Pretty special, isn't it? As the White Rabbit says in Alice in Wonderland, don't be late. In fact, we have a feeling you might already be here.